Hello and welcome to Saras's classes. Today we are going to solve some of the questions from quantitative aptitude. We all know that quantitative aptitude is the most important part in any examination, any competitive examination. And today we are going to solve the three questions from Quants. Quantitative aptitude requires only numerical quanting ability. Okay, there is nothing much complexity in it, but you have to be accurate and efficient in your numerical computation ability. So let's start with the first one. 185% of 400 plus 35% of 240 is equals to x percent of 1648. Okay, therefore we can write it in this way, that is 185% means 185 divided by 100 multiplied by 400 plus 35% means 35 divided by 100 into 240 is equals to x percent means x divided by 100 into 1648. Now after cancel it out the zeros, we get 185 into 4, that means 740, plus 35 into 24, 35 into 24 divided by 10, that means 84, and it is nothing but equals to x divided by 100 multiplied by 1648. So after summing up we get 824, and it is equals to x is equals to 824 multiplied by 100 divided by 1648 is equals to x. Okay, and this results in, after some computation, we get 50 here. So the required value of this question mark is 50, that is the option 4. Okay, now let's check the next question. Root over 24 to the power 4 plus 224 is equals to x into 20 square, and this is equals to 24 square plus 224 divided by 20 square is equals to x. Okay, now you have to memorize the square of different numbers at least from 1 to 25, and this helps in computation for new quantitative aptitude. And here the 24 square is 576 plus 224 divided by 20 square, which results in 400. Now 576 plus 224 means 800 divided by 400. This results in that x is equals to 2. So our required answer for this question mark is 2, that is option 3. Now let's check the last question, that is question number 3. That is 12.28 multiplied by 1.5 minus 36 divided by 2.4. 12.28 multiplied by 1.5 minus 36 divided by 2.4. We know the BODMAS rule, that is BODMAS, where B implies bracket, O means off, D means division, multiplication, addition, and lastly subtraction. So we do these particular operations in this order. That is, first of all bracket, then off, then division, then multiplication, then addition, and lastly subtraction. In this given problem, we only have three of them. These are multiplication, division, subtraction. So first of all, we do the division. And 36 divided by 2.4 results in 15. Then we do the multiplication. 12.28 multiplied by 1.5 results in 18.42, and therefore the subtraction which comes at last, and this results in 3.42. Okay, so our required answer is the option 5. Okay, so that's all for today. To know more about quantitative aptitude, you can join us, or you can drop a message at this number, which is 9836793076 or 9874822756. These are the WhatsApp number of ours. Or you can check our website also, which is www.sarosclasses.com. Okay, thank you very much.